real numbers. Exercise 1.1. Question number 3. Use division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. Let a be any positive integer. Now here dividend a, divisor b, the value of b here 3. Apply Euclid division algorithm. Given positive integer a and b, there exist unique pair of integers q and r satisfying a equals to bq plus r. Here 0 less than or equals to r less than b. Euclid division algorithm, a equals to b value 3q plus r, 0 less than or equals to r less than 3. Here b value 3, so here a equals to 3q plus r. The dividend a, divisor 3, quotient plus remainder. Now the possible remainders are 0, 1, 2. Why? Because here remainder less than 3. That's why the remainders are, the possible remainders are 0, 1, 2. Now a can be, if remainder 0, the value of a equals to 3q plus 0 is equals to 3q. If remainder 1, a equals to 3q plus 1. Now 3q plus 1. If remainder 2, a equals to 3q plus 2. Now will be 3q plus 2, where q is the quotient. Now take the first dividend a equals to 3q, squaring on both sides. Now a square equals to 3q whole square. Now 3q whole square, 3q into 3q 2 times. Now 3 is a 9, q into q, q square, 9q square. Now here 3 common, 3 into 3q square is equals to, now here assuming 3q square as p, that's why here equals to 3p, which can be written in the form of 3p since 9 is divisible by 3. Now take the second division a equals to 3q plus 1, squaring on both sides. A square equals to 3q plus 1 whole square. Now it's look like a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now a square equals to, here a value 3q, a square means 3q square, plus 2 into a, here a value 3q, into b value 1, 2 into 3q into 1, plus b square means here 1 square. A square equals to 3q square means 9q square, plus 2 3 is a 6, 6 1 is a 6, 6q, plus 1 square means value 1. Now here in this 2, 9q square plus 6q, here take 3 common, 3 into 3q square plus 2q plus 1. Let us assume 3q square plus 2q is equals to p. Therefore 3p plus 1, which can be written in the form of, since 9q square plus 6q, 3 into 3q square plus 2q is divisible. Now take the third dividend a equals to 3q plus 2, squaring on both sides. A square equals to 3q plus 2 whole square. It's look like a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here a square means 3q square, plus 2 into ab means 2 into 3q into 2. Here b value 2, a value 3q, plus b square means here 2 square. 3q whole square means 9q square plus 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12q plus here 2 square means 4, 9q square plus 12q plus here 4 means 3 plus 1. Now here in this 3 common, 3 into 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Now here, now assuming 3q square plus 4q plus 1 as p. Therefore 3p plus 1. This can be written in the form of 3p plus 1, since 3 into 3q square plus 4q plus 1 is divisible by 3. Therefore the square of any positive integer is either of the form of 3p or 3p plus 1 for some integer p. Hence proved. Now we are showing that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1.